Hey, amazing teachers! Let's talk about a super quick and effective way to end your class. The 2-minute exit tickets that focus on proficiency. These aren't your typical, what did you learn today, prompts. Instead, they're designed to get students actively using the target language. For example, after a class discussion about daily routines, ask students to write or say a one-sentence summary like, Hoy aprendimos cómo decir nuestra rutina de la mañana. Today we learned how to say our morning routine. This gives you a snapshot of their understanding while reinforcing what they practiced in class. Here's a simple way to implement this tomorrow. At the end of class, project or hand out a prompt like, describe one thing you learned today using 3 vocabulary words from class. Another idea, write a question you would ask about today's topic. For speaking classes, you can do this orally. Have students turn to a partner and share their response in the target language before leaving. These tasks are quick, focused, and help students apply what they've learned in a meaningful way. Plus, you'll have a quick and easy tool to assess proficiency on the spot. Want even more practical teaching strategies? Join the Assessment Academy at mm.us/academy. You'll discover powerful tools to integrate proficiency-based assessments, streamline grading, and maximize learning outcomes in your classroom. Start using quick wins like this to make every lesson count.